going to start in the very front of my property to give you a little bit of a before and after. This is a beautiful little plant that probably started with a 2 to 4 inch plug that I put in here probably 4 or 5 years ago, and it has filled in beautifully, and I love it. It looks beautiful year round. What the plant looks like year round. Beautiful silver green. Love it, and I'm really happy with it. But this time of year, it's in bloom, and I even love it more. And it blooms for probably about 6 weeks. It's been blooming for some time, and I really love it. I should have come out sooner and took pictures of it, but it's just like a beautiful white and silver carpet running across this flower bed. It's very invasive, as you can see. It's spreading more every year, but because this flower bed always is hard to keep up, I don't care. I'm going to let it go, and things do live in here with it, but it does look pretty invasive to me. It just sort of sleeps by. Once it gets down the total side of this block wall, I'll probably have to stop its growth because it can't do the whole yard. Now, another thing that I do get a lot of, and this is every part of my California poppies, and they look beautiful. Right now they're not open because it's cloudy, and when the sun comes out, they'll open up. They're a beautiful bouquet all the time, and they reseed themselves, take no care. My favorite kind of plant. Another one of my California poppies, like I said, they're closed because of it's cloudy out here, but I love them, and they come up every year, and always enjoy watching more beautiful California poppies. And there is some more, as you can see, popping up. I will have blooms anytime. This one is pretty well done. I'm going to just leave it alone because I want it to reseed for next year. These here are its little seed pods, and I know they don't look pretty, but I don't care. And here you see some more. They'll dry out and drop their seeds. That way next year I'll have beautiful bouquets of California poppies, and it won't be costing me any money. Once you get California poppies growing in your yard, they're always there. And as you can see, I have them scattered all about this flower garden. Now, what I don't like, and I'm going to start getting in here and ripping them out, these are the most beautiful flowers I can tell you. But this plant is so invasive, I pull it out every year, and you can't stop it. Doesn't matter how many times I pull it out, it comes right back. It chokes the life out of everything in this flower garden. As you can see, it is choking the life out of everything in here. Because of that, it's getting ripped out. Hopefully, as I'm ripping everything out, most of my California poppies survive, I hope, because they are some of my favorites. Even though I have a lot of California poppies and they come back every year, they don't kill or choke everything out. But these beautiful, beautiful purple flowers, as you see, are the death of any yard as far as I'm concerned. Can't hardly see it, but back in here, some Swiss chard came to the front, and so I do have Swiss chard here, but you can't see it because of all these. I don't even want to say the name of this plant. It makes me so upset. But anyway, this is my front yard that needs to be cleaned up. There is a lot of stuff in here right now, and I know it looks colorful, but there's some things that need to go. So Grandma's got to get out here probably this next week or so and do nothing but pull plants out. There's some more of my beautiful California poppies. As you can see, they're popping up all over now. And they will look really nice in here probably for the next month or two. They'll die back, and as they're dying back, there'll be other ones coming up. Here's some more beautiful plants that have reseeded themselves since last year. These are my favorite kind of plants when I don't have to do anything and they just come all by themselves. Aren't they beautiful? And I love the variegated leaves. These are my favorite. I probably need to buy some more seeds like this. For next year, I will have a lot more. These are really winter plants that grow in the winter here. These are almost all died back because it's starting to become summer. Look at this. Doesn't it look pretty? The little California poppies poking out from all around that beautiful plant. Well, here's my California poppies all bloomed out. Now that the sun's out, you can see them. Are they not beautiful? Always enjoy my beautiful garden. Keep in mind, this yard really isn't even all that pretty right now. Next year it'll be prettier and I'll have even more California poppies. And as you can see, Grandma has plenty of California poppies. She loves them. The best thing about California poppies, they last for months and they reseed themselves. Yes, they do. Once you get them going and in your yard, you never have to worry about them. They're self-taking care of. Don't know if I have some more flowers coming out or weeds. We'll have to wait and see what that is right there. It looks like maybe a flower. I hope so. And I know I have a couple of them in here, and hopefully they'll reseed themselves if they are. This one, California poppy, is just about done. As you can see, all the flowers, all I have now are seed heads. That's what these are right here, are seed heads. And when they get all dried out, they'll drop their seeds. And I know maybe a lot of people don't want to look at it doing that. It doesn't bother me. I know eventually that means I'll have more beautiful California poppies next winter and fall. And here they are again. Oh my gosh, Grandma's got plenty of California poppies all over the front and all over the back. And these look a little unusual there, don't they? Love looking at them too. Look at the beautiful seed heads. I'm going to have all kinds of beautiful flowers for next year. Well, you can tell Grandma Sandy loves California poppies. They're all the way down by the block wall. And as you can see, I did pull out some of those morning glories, but I still have a ton more to go. Oh well, it is what it is. Now we have all these beautiful California poppies. And I will try carefully to pull out some of these morning glories if I can. I hate messing with them, but there's nothing I can do. Once you get them in your garden, they never leave. And here's some more of my beautiful California poppies. Now they're in my front and my backyard. They're everywhere. But I just wanted to share how beautiful they are. And I get to look and enjoy this for at least a couple months every year. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Hope you enjoyed my garden tour of my California poppies.